Just this morning, here, on my birthday celebration, I expressed those my friend who sort of say who really seriously sort of thinking about my birthday, and at the same time is a wishing or also is a prayer for my sort of long life. So I mentioned best gift for me on birthday, please keep your own mind, your own heart more compassionate, more sort of spirit of seriously or genuinely sense of concern of others' well-being. And with that sort of motivation, if possible, serve other, helping other people, also other animal. If you do not have the opportunity to serving, then at least restrain harming them. So all my friend and actually brothers and sisters, please keep in your mind rest of your life more compassionate life. Then that's the best sort of present of my birthday.